Morning, I hope you're all doing well. Today is Tuesday and I have just got up. Kyron's had his breakfast. I've just got to have my breakfast bar, do my makeup, do my hair, and then we'll be going to the school run. School run's being done, Mum's doing it. I've done my makeup, haven't quite done my hair yet, but you know, doesn't matter. What was I going to say? I can't remember. I'll check in when I do something fun. This is the top I was trying to show you yesterday that was sat there. I know it's gross, I haven't put stuff away yet. Oh well, but yeah, it's really like warm and soft. It's very soft. It's very weird that I was just stroking my boob. But yeah. So this is what I'm wearing. This is how I've done my makeup today. I don't know if that looks oof, bad light. But look very pale, don't I? This is my makeup. This is my hair that I haven't done today. I really need to go over it with the straighteners, but I really can't be bothered, if I'm totally honest. But I'm going to do that in a minute. Michael's coming down today, so he'll be here soon. But yeah, this is the top. It's very like thick. The material is very thick. That makes it look ridiculously skinny. Third time lucky. Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I've put this far too far over. There we go. What was I saying? Oh yeah. I have vlogged. I vlogged last week. I sound like a really bad vlogger. I vlogged last week, but I couldn't upload it. Well, I did upload last week, but after that mini haul, I couldn't upload because whatever reason, I don't know. I think I had too many clips or whatever. But whatever the reason, I couldn't upload. So I'm putting the videos that I did do last week that are the better ones, the better clips, putting them into this one. So you'll see them and you'll see this one. This is today, and today is currently, I forgot to look at the date before I turn the camera on. Damn it.
12th
today. Today is the 12th, thank you very much. And so, yeah. The weather has been pretty hit and miss. Like earlier on today, I was sat in my garden because it wasn't raining. Although I was speaking to Becca over Texas, or Becky, whichever you want to be called, and she was saying how it was lashing it down, like really, really raining. And I was like, wait, what? How is it raining? Like, I'm sat in my garden, like it's not raining. But she showed me a picture which I will upload there. And it's raining. You can quite clearly see out of the windows that it's raining. Luckily she wasn't in it, so she didn't get wet. So that's fine. But literally, it was pretty bad. I then came here and met her here. And about half an hour after I came in,
it must have been, yeah, roughly half an hour.
Yeah, it started really like lashing it down. Like it was horrendous. It was like a tap had exploded and just gone kind of thing. Like it was, that was really weird. But it was just nuts. So that was really strange. But I'm here now. I came to see Becca. And yeah. We're back in business. I'm joking. I also wanted to speak to you about this cake. So Kyron had a piece. And I remember the date well because it was my mum's birthday the day before. It was the 25th of October. Obviously we're in 2018. And he was having a cake. And all of a sudden he screamed. So I went in to find out what was wrong, and there was a spider crawling out of it. I didn't get a picture of the spider because I was just like, what the... Like, am I seeing things? But what he must have done is that he must have pulled a bit of cake with his fork, and then the spider come out, and he's obviously freaked out. It's obviously ran back in, and when I came in, it ran out again. I don't really know what happened because I wasn't there. All I see is that the cake was in bits and the spider was running around it. Probably frantically trying to get back to its family, which it probably left in like some other country. But it's just nuts. How crazy is that? I don't understand. I just don't understand. I also wanted to speak to you about something. I don't know how to say it. I'm not going to say anything yet. Although I do have an announcement coming, well, not just me, coming on this coming Friday. So Friday if today's the 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Friday the 17th? 16th. She likes to put me straight, especially when I'm filming. Anyway, that's coming. It's all exciting. And it is something to do with Becca back here. And Becca back here.
Sounds like Becca Becky.
Yeah. That's funny. Yeah. So that'll be cool. We are soon to announce that. It's going to be cool. Don't know what to do. Anyway, I'm going to end this clip. Well, this vlog, to be honest. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe. Because, like I've just said, there are fun things coming. And, yeah, it's going to be really cool. I need to go sometime into town, really. To go camera shopping. Yeah! Anyway, thanks so much for watching. See you later. Bye! Mwah!